how to create ManyChat triggers. So first, go to your account. Next is just click on automation here at the left side, and then just click on new automation here at the top right. Next is just click on start from scratch, and then you can see a new trigger option here. So this is where you can create a trigger. So just click on new trigger, and then choose whether you want to use Instagram or Messenger. So I'll just use Instagram, and then start automation when, select one of the options here. So I'll just use when a user sends a message, click on it, and then select among the two options here. So I'll just select recognize intention of a message, and if message is about question, and then just click on create. So you just need to type in what the message is about. So I'll just type in question here. If the message is about a question, the trigger will trigger something like that, and then just click on create, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.